Okay. This is an intense one. Hello, hi. We're back with more astrology. So today's zodiac tutorial is obviously Scorpio. We love water signs here. We support the water sign. Well, we support all the signs, but you know, we're biased to any water sign because hi. So we're doing Scorpio today. Obviously, this is the look. Obviously, why do I say that every time? Like it's obvious that this is the makeup. Anyway, we're doing Scorpio today, like I've just said about 50,000 times. I have gone for very deep tones, basically. That's all I can say about it. Very plummy, very burgundy, and they're just kind of the tones for Scorpio. Hope you like the look of this makeup look. If you want to see how I did it and just have a chat about Scorpios and why we love them so much, then subscribe if you want to. If you don't, give the video a thumbs up as well, and yeah, just keep watching. Oh, if you're a Scorpio as well, of course, let me know. I don't know any Scorpios, so if you're watching this and you're a Scorpio, oh, say hi. Or you probably won't because, you know, you're a Scorpio. Hola, Tanneritos. If you've never seen Full House, you will not understand what I just said. Okay, hey yo, hello. Okay, we're just gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna do the eyes as I've been doing since I've started doing these. So this is the vibe we've gone for. Very dark, very red and kind of smoky, really grungy for this Scorpio day today. I'm gonna add more to the eyes probably maybe after. I'm gonna have to try and remember to do the brow bone and the inner corner because it's kind of important for this look as well. So yeah, that's the vibe. It kind of looks like I've been punched, but that's fine. Just do the eyes like pretty quick. I'll just show you what I'm doing and stuff. I'm going to be using the Dream St palette from Colourpop. These are the tones I just needed, and I'm probably going to use another shade later on as well. So this just seemed to be the perfect palette, so this is what I'm going to be using, and I'll be showing you what I'm doing basically. It's really easy. It didn't actually take that long to do this eye. I just wasn't completely sure on what situation I was going for. That's why I just did it off camera. So yeah. I have no idea what happened to the mascara situation. Like, ugh. It looks a bit crazy. Also, it's literally like night time, so the lighting is questionable. So that's pretty much the eyes done. I just wanted to keep it very grungy, very dark. A lot of the kind of tones and stuff for Scorpio are like crimson, burgundy, red, that kind of stuff. So over the lid, I know you won't be able to have seen it obviously when I was just doing it, I used the Colourpop Supernova shadow in Hard to Empress. So that's what I just put over the lids, and I don't know whether to put something else over it after, but I'm gonna do that maybe once I've like done the face and stuff. Okay, so we're just gonna do the face then, I guess. Okay, so I wasn't recording for the past like 5 minutes that I've just been talking, so I've already started my face because I was in the middle of talking. So I'm using the e.l.f. primer serum. It's the Glow Up Primer Serum, just for the primer obviously. And I was just saying, I'm gonna have to repeat myself now. So yeah, we're just dealing with my little filming light right now, but I kind of like the eyes. I like the burgundy, the tones. We love Scorpios. I like Scorpios. Obviously they're a water sign, so I'm gonna support my fellow water signs, of course. I don't have any Scorpio in my chart, which I'm kind of sad about because I like Scorpios. I think that they're one of the... Oh, by the way, I'm going to use the Milani foundation stick in Sand Beige. What was I saying? Yeah, I feel like Scorpios are one of the like the few signs that get like absolutely shit on by everyone. Just because people like assume that they're like evil, and you know, they're kind of like Geminis and maybe Aries. I feel like Aries, you know, get a lot of shit sometimes as well, but I like them. I mean, I like all water signs, of course I do, I'm biased. I mean, I get it. What was their ruling planet? I know their ruling planet is like about death or something. I've got the Bible right here. What was it? Pluto, yeah, the ancient god of the netherworld and of the dead. I do kind of get, you know, the evilness that people... Well, I know, I do, but I don't. Okay, I feel like they only bring out that side, like Scorpios only bring out that side when you, like, fuck them up. So basically just don't cross a Scorpio, okay? If you have an ex that's a Scorpio and it was, like, a bad, like, breakup, then, you know, good luck to you, hon, because they'll come for you. I actually know any Scorpio... What? I don't know any Scorpios my age. I know one Scorpio. Yeah, I know one Scorpio and she's older and she's just a babe. But I don't know, yeah, I don't know any Scorpios my age, so I don't know if they'll be a bit different. But yeah, I find them pretty chill. I seem to get on with them. I like their personality. I like the kind of like mysterious and darkness. I like that they're a bit quiet as well. I feel like, to be fair, I feel like water signs, we like to keep to ourselves, to be fair, so. Kind of confused. I thought my skin would be looking a lot more glowy than it actually is. I should probably put the brightness a bit up because... Oh, there we go. Yeah, I don't know. I thought that the primer oil, I thought that'd make me a bit more glowy, but that just hasn't been the case. Okay, concealer. I'm going to use what I used to prime my lids, which is the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C10. That concealer is really nice. Why do I not use this enough? To set all that, I'm going to use the Beauty Bakerie Flour Powder just because it's amazing. Should I finish the lower lash line? I think I should. Let's do that. And I honestly can't remember the last time I actually remembered to highlight my inner corner and brow bone, but this one's important. So when it comes to Scorpio, obviously Scorpio season goes over from October to November. So the October birthstone is opal and the November is topaz, if I am remembering correctly. Oh, I thought I'd go with opal just because I feel like topaz is a bit... Is it kind of like the brownie, kind of bronzy kind of colour? I think it is. But I thought like that won't really go with the vibe for now, so I thought I'd go with opal. So I'm gonna take Kaleidoscope from this palette, which is that one there, and I'm gonna use that to highlight the inner corner and the brow bone. That looks so cool. I'm actually kind of obsessed with how this is looking. Okay, for bronzer, well, I'm gonna use two. I'm gonna contour first, I think. So I'm gonna use the CYO bronzer in medium. It's kind of a dupe, I guess, for the Elsie bronzer, I feel. I need some dinner. I'm absolutely starving. Over top, we're gonna go with the Milani Baked Bronzer in Soleil. I haven't used this in so long. Then for blush, again, I kind of wanted something to tie in with the eyes a bit, but I don't want to go like too dark because the lip, we're going dark. So I'm gonna use the Sephora blush in Passionate, this little fella. Okay, then for highlight, we're gonna go with the opaque kind of vibes again. So I'm gonna use the white gold highlight from e.l.f. This fellow. Yeah, that's very opaque. Yeah, that's it. I kind of wanted something like quite reflective. Okay, lip time. I'm kind of scared. Do I line my lips? That's the question, but I'm using a liquid lipstick. I don't need to. Okay. So I didn't want to be boring and just go with a nude or a brown, which is what I usually do. I wanted something to kind of tie in with the eyes, but still be quite bold. So I'm going to use this guy. I know there's a lot of Colourpop in this. I've just realised the lips, a lot of the eyes. All of the eyes is pretty much Colourpop, SOS, but they just have the tones. So this is the Ultra Matte Lip. Is it? Yeah, I think so. In Little Star. Oh, okay, I was not expecting it to actually look like this. I've kind of got like Ursula, not Ursula, no, Cruella de Vil, that's what I'm thinking of. I'm getting like Cruella vibes. Okay, I'm feeling this is very Scorpio. If you're a Scorpio and you don't own this lipstick, are you really a Scorpio? Okay, so I guess we're done here. We're done. I actually really like this. That has also like dried out, like Colourpop's matte formula, dry like that. Okay, so that's it. This is it for Scorpio. That is it for the video. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you're a Scorpio, I hope I did you justice. I hope you enjoyed my face. So if you do like the look of this makeup look, let me know. Give the video a thumbs up as well. Subscribe if you want to. This chair is so squeaky. Yeah, great. I'm gonna go get some dinner and I will see you in my next video.